Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best women's cycling bibs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Sugoi Women's RS Pro Bib Shorts. Scooping the top position, this pair of cycling bib shorts is made to give the best riding experience. It is made of high-quality nylon material together with commercial-grade spandex which can withstand the tougher races without losing their elasticity or fading with long-term exposure to the UV rays. Besides, the re-engineered fabrics will deliver better performance when compared to those of other cycling bibs of its caliber. The ultra-aero fabric on the outer thighs ensures maximum aero efficiency while the breathability nature of the material allows for aeration keeping you cool and dry throughout the challenge for comfort. Moving on at number 4, we have the Baleaf Women's 3D Padded Bicycle Cycling Bib Shorts Back Pocket. This pair of cycling bibs is made of top-quality nylon and spandex material for maximum durability. The soft material ensures all-day comfort while the breathable nature keeps you feeling cool throughout the race. Besides, the soft fabric is designed to wick away moisture to keep you dry regardless of how difficult the challenge is. The top-quality pair of cycling bibs comes with a handy back pocket which provides perfect storage for the items. The upper part is also made of mesh bib which keeps the short stable ensuring comfort. The silicone leg grippers ensure that the short is held up in place while the 3D antibacterial pad sustains comfort. At number 3, we have the Sugoi Women's Evolution Bib Shorts. Whether you participate in long or short races, comfort remains pivotal since it determines the level of control you have on the bike. And while not all cycling bibs can give you the kind of comfort you need to up your riding skills, grabbing this pair of cycling bibs will prove to be a great leap. The breathable fabric ensures maximum ventilation to keep you cool and dry as you enjoy your ride. Moreover, it comes with crossover straps which perfectly prevent shoulder strips to keep you comfortable. The flat seams are couples with the 8-panel design to provide a low profile and contoured fit. At number 2, we have the Pearl iZUMi Women's Bib Shorts. If you are looking for a pair of cycling bibs that will keep you going for years without sinking your wallet, this is an amazing option. They are made to allow free air circulation when still blocking the harmful UV rays from the sun. The silicone leg grippers are designed to hold the hems in position without constriction for long hours of comfortable riding. The 4-way stretchability ensures a comfortable fit without losing firmness and shape when washed repeatedly. It is made of top-in-class nylon and elastane materials that will maintain their shape and elasticity for years. And finally at number 1, we have the Gore Bike Wear Women Thermo Bibtights. This high-quality pair of cycling bibs is made with durability in mind since it is made of 85% polyamide and 15% elastane materials which are sturdy enough to suit everyday use. And since it is made with comfort in mind, it is highly breathable to keep you refreshed and cool throughout the day without getting soaked up in sweat. Besides, it features strong straps which are tailored with a woman's body in mind, hence they provide optimal riding experience. Unlike most cycling bib shorts of its caliber that fade and stretch over repeated washing, this will remain new for years. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.